back, muffins, for another tutorial. Let's jump right into this thing. I'm going to be taking the True Complexion Contour Palette in the darkest shade. Using a wide fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking that dark shade and blending it right in my crease. I don't know about you guys, but I am so over the winter, so I thought this look would be perfect to start the spring off right. Using this NARS eyeshadow in the color Coconut Grove, I'm going to be taking my Sigma E38 brush and blending that color right in my crease, right below that shade that we put in earlier. So you can take more of that color and get your crease as dark as you want to. I like my crease to have some depth and a little bit of mystery, so I'm going to be taking some more of that color and darken it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl concealer and I'm applying that on my lid as a base before we apply the yellow, because I want this yellow to really pop. So I saw this palette sitting in my cousin's cabinet by e.l.f. and I said, yo, I have to utilize this. So taking that bright yellow shade, I'm going to start packing that shade right into my lid using just a flat brush. Go ahead and keep packing that yellow shade onto your lid until you get it as bright as you want it. Taking a little bit more of that NARS Coconut Grove, I'm going to be adding some more in my crease because I don't want that color to get lost. Using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, I'm going to be applying a small wing liner. Now you can make your wing as bold and big as you want to. I really don't want to make the wing too drastic because I want the eyeshadow, the yellow, to really be the focus point of this makeup look. Applying my absolute favorite lashes. These are Ardell Wispies. Guys, I think I wear these lashes probably like 9 times out of 10 out of every makeup look. They're my absolute fave. They look so natural. So yes, but of course you can use whatever lash of your liking. Alright, using that NARS Coconut Grove, I'm going to take my MAC pencil brush and I'm going to apply that right beneath my waterline. And now adding a little black liner right in my waterline. Taking that yellow color, I'm going to be adding that right in the inner corners of my eyes, and then also I'm going to be taking that same color and adding it a little bit in the inner corner of my waterline. Adding my favorite mascara, L'Oreal Telescopic, to my bottom lashes. We're going to make them babies pop a little bit. Next, I'll be applying a nude lip. I'm going to be using Maybelline's Touchable Taupe. I'm also going to be lining my lips with my favorite lip liner. This is NYX Suede in the color Downtown Beauty. Alright dolls, thanks so much for watching. This is the final look. Don't you guys dare leave without hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on those notifications for new videos. Peace, love, kisses and hugs and all the above. Bye.